If you're ambitious but lazy, this video's for you. Here's the harsh truth. Your clock is ticking, and nothing's changing. You've got ideas, ambition, dreams, but without action. That life you imagine? It starts to fade. Every day you wait is another day wasted. And if you're not careful, your life starts to look like this: flat, predictable, uninspiring. That's the reality for most people. 5 years in the same job. Maybe a few pay raises, but the line barely moves. Sometimes, it even dips. The trap we're stuck in. The more people earn, the more they spend. Debt has become the new normal. They told you money doesn't buy happiness, but that's a lie the rich sold to keep the poor comfortable. You're not lazy. You're trapped in a system designed to keep you busy, convincing you that slow progress is the only way. But it doesn't have to be this way. What you feel isn't laziness, it's frustration with a path that was never built for you to win. Today, I'll show you the 5 stages to escape this trap and start building real momentum. Stage 1. The flatline. This is where most people live. You finish school, get a job, and stop moving. No map, no guidance, just survival. Stay here too long, and you become a debt slave, your income barely covering your lifestyle. The world is shifting, ownership is disappearing, houses, cars, even privacy, all slipping away. They call it the Great Reset. But the truth? Money equals freedom. Freedom equals happiness. Start here. Track every dollar you spend. Be brutally honest about what's essential. Automate your savings, no matter how small. Stage 2. The spark. This is the turning point. Most people never reach it because change threatens comfort. Your friends won't like your new mindset. When you rise, they feel left behind, so they'll try to pull you back. Even if you save, inflation eats your progress alive. $5,000 today will only buy what $3,000 can 20 years from now. Saving won't save you, investing will. Learn to invest, even a few dollars a day. It's not gambling. It's compounding, small steps, every day, over time. That's how you ignite momentum. Stage 3. The surge. Now that you've built awareness and ignition, it's time to accelerate. What got you here won't get you there. Focus on the 3 C's. Cash flow, connections, confidence. Cash flow. Start a side hustle, small, service-based, profitable. Connections. Surround yourself with people who push you higher. Confidence. Take bold moves when others hesitate. This is where people stop trying and start committing. Stage 4. The ascent. Once momentum builds, expand. Replace liabilities with assets, things that put money back in your pocket. Rental properties, dividend stocks, high-value skills. You might be years into your journey, but everything before this prepared you for it. Diversify to protect, or go all in with conviction. Billionaires like Musk and Bezos built empires through focus. Choose your path, and make your money work for you. Stage 5. The summit. Mastery isn't just about being rich. It's about being free. Your assets now pay for your life. You control your time, your purpose, your legacy. True mastery isn't about living on a beach forever. It's about mentoring others, sharing what you've learned, and creating something that lasts beyond you. The journey won't be easy, but if you follow these stages, you'll escape stagnation, build wealth, and create freedom. So the only question is, how long will you wait before you start? Subscribe if you're ready to grow your wealth. I'll see you at the top.